Hello children, these days we are doing the topic voices. Uh, in, uh, in the previous videos, you were told some rules regarding tenses, how to convert the sentence of a particular tense into passive voice. Today, in the same series, we'll do another rules, okay? And these are quite important, okay? So see here, see when your active sentence, okay, so when your active sentence, you find them that these have or these contain some models, okay, auxiliary verbs. So how do we deal them, or how do we convert those sentences into passive form? This thing I will tell you in this video, and we'll do other things as well. Okay. See, suppose the structure of active voice is like this: subject, then any model, auxiliary verb, followed by first form and object. Suppose this is the structure we have in active voice. So in passive, the rule is quite simple. What do you do? Change object into subject. Okay. Then what you will do according to that subject. Okay, you use that model. See, little bit confusion is there only in will or shall, but I have already told you when you feel the subject is first person. Okay, uh, so there normally in it happens normally in future tense. Otherwise, there is no problem. The same model you can use, but in case of I and we, you can use shall if it refers to the action related to future. Okay. If it is not related to future activity, if it is not related to any planned activity in future, then you can use the same model. Okay, without any confusion. So model, then what you will use? Be. First form will be converted into third form, then by and option. Clear? Take one example. P will help you. She will help you. See, object here is it is second person converted into subject. So there will be no effect, no changing of helping will be there, no changing of model will be there. So the same model we can use. You will be, and this form it will be converted into third form. Help by and she it will be changed into. Clear? The same sentence it can be taken into negative sentence as well. So there after this helping verb we can use not. But if it is interrogative, so there we can see like could you tell the truth? Suppose this is a structure, there is a sentence. So here we have this model code. So I have already told you if active is in interrogative, passive must be there. What we will do like could, then the truth. Could the truth be told by you? Okay, easy, quite easy it is. Now we can take one example of WH family also with the same model like when can he take the examination? Here, so here WH family it will remain the same when. Now you have to see this object, and according to that you use this helping of model. When can the examination be? Okay, because with model first form I have already told you we use be. Then taken by. Okay, so this is one part of model auxiliary. Now we can use the other part. The other rule is very important, where the structure it is different. There we get the same model, but it will be followed by have, third form, and object. So how you will do? See, remember this kind of structure we deal with like we have done the sentences of present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Okay. So we'll take one example, then it will be quite easy for you. So when this structure is there, what you do? Object, change it into subject, then use model accordingly. Then between have and third form, you can use be. Third form, then by. Okay. This structure we have to use. Like he could have told a lie. He could have told a lie. So here you can see object is a lie. Then you could have, and between these we use be. Told by, and change in subject into object. Okay. Like change object into subject, then use helping verb, then being you will use between have and third form. This way it is equal to. We can take a negative example in the same way, but it's quite easy. Suppose not is there, so the same not you can use here. In interrogative, like would they have created the history? Would they have created the history? The same helping verb, the same order it will be there, no change. So would, then object, would the history. Then have third form between have third form you use have been also, like have been created by them. Okay, so this is the use, or this is how we deal with this kind of sentence. One more example we can use, it is related to W's family, when all the confusions regarding it will be over. Like, who will have told this story? Who will have told this story? See, you have already been told when you have this interrogative pronoun, WH family, this who, change this pronoun first, like by. And then you use the helping verb according to this will, then change subject from object, this story. Then you use been between have and third. By whom will this story have been told? Okay. So in this way we can do such kind of difficult sentences. Now next type, These are also kind of imperative sentences. We have already done imperative sentences, but this is another where we have such kind of structure like it followed by helping verbs, then adjectives or nouns, okay, and then the usual verb and other, okay, like popularly it is to followed by first form and then other. So when such kind of sentences are there, so how do we treat them? How do we deal them? Or how do we convert them uh, into passive voice? This thing we'll do right now. Quite easy it is. See, suppose there is a sentence like it is easy to do it. See, this structure I have taught here. Suppose this is the structure. It is easy to do it. We have it, dummy subject, then helping verb, adjective, and this phrase followed by to. Okay? Clear? To infinitive and with that other things. So when you have such kind of thing, so what you will do? Suppose this is active sentence and you have to convert it into passive. So how you will convert? Use this phrase. It will help you work abilities. It is. And then you see the object. What is the object? And with before that object you use for. It is first you write means it is with the noun or it is with the adjective. Whatever it is, you write as it is this phrase like it is easy. Clear? And after that what you will do with that object you use for. It is easy for it. Clear? And then what remains? To first form. So to first form you convert into to be third. This is a. So once again I repeat. Listen. It is easy to do it. This is the sentence. So the phrase which has this thing. It is with noun. It is with adjective. It may be in the past. It may be in any form. It may be having any helping verb. So change this first or write this in passive form. Okay. Or write as it is. Whatever is there. And then you see the object. Before that object write for. Then you write object. And then to first form it will be converted into to be third. Okay. One more example like it is difficult to solve the sum. It is difficult to solve the sum. So what you will do? Write additive this sentence. It is difficult. Clear? And then see the object, the star. So before that you write this one. It is difficult for the star. Clear? Now what remains? To first form. So to first form you convert into to be third form. To be sold. Clear? These sentences they will have the same formula or they will be converted in the same process or with the same process whether they are in negative form or interrogative. What you have to do? You have to focus on the initial part. The initial part it will not be repeated, means it will not be converted in anything, it will be written in the same way and then little bit change you have to do with the object. Rest of the thing it remains only the same. Clear? Like to first form it will be converted into to be third form and with before that object you have to write this extra word for. Okay. Now one more part, we can say one more type. It is in sometimes we feel that there are some strange type of sentences where we feel that it has already given us complete sense, and how we can make it into passive. See, suppose there is a sentence. Some people say that that India will repeat the glory. See, this kind of sentence gives some kind of confusion in the minds of the students and whatever. So, when you have such kind of sentence, or when you come across such kind of sentence, so you are not to be confused, or you are not to confuse your mind as well. How you do? Change this part only. Some people say that India will repeat the glory. We can convert this part as well, but it will be quite typical sentence, quite puzzled sentence it becomes. So simply we will say like it is said. Okay, it is said that. Then the rest of the thing remains the same. It is said means you are not to repeat anything. Some people say it is said. It is said by some people we are not to do anything. It is said that, and then you convert it. Okay, like we believe that God is everywhere. We believe that God is everywhere. Now, question is before you convert this sentence into passive voice. So, quite easy. Take this part only. It is believed. It is believed that. It is believed that God is everywhere. Okay. So, in this video, we'll sum up right now. I hope you understood the rules and enrich your knowledge about this type of sentences. Hopefully, you will not have any confusion when you come across such kind of sentences. So, with the new rules, new type of sentences will be coming before you in a short while. Okay, so by that time, keep on watching and learn comprehension. Thank you.